When you look up at the night sky, you see stars, planets, and galaxies. But did you know that most of the universe is actually invisible? Astronomers have discovered that galaxies spin much faster than they should, based on the matter we can see: stars, gas, and dust. According to physics, they should be flying apart, but something unseen is holding them together. This mysterious force is called dark matter. It doesn't emit, reflect, or absorb light, making it completely invisible. We can't see it, but we know it's there because of the way it bends light and affects gravity. Scientists estimate that dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe. Compare that to normal matter, everything we can see, which is only about 5%. But what is dark matter made of? That's still a mystery. Some theories suggest it's made of unknown particles that barely interact with anything. Scientists around the world are searching for answers using powerful telescopes and underground detectors. Unlocking the secrets of dark matter could change our understanding of the universe forever. So, next time you look at the stars, remember, most of the universe is hiding in the dark, just waiting to be discovered.